Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Nintendo Switch sound settings from like maybe stereo, mono, or even surround sound. And this is easy to do. We want to go on over to System Settings and then scroll on down. And we want to go to TV Settings. Now there is no like dedicated sound area, but we can go to the TV settings and scroll on down to TV sound. And we have the option for automatic. Surround sound, if you got that hooked up, great. Then we have stereo. And then finally, we have mono right there. So you can just adjust those according to your needs for your setup. And you should be good to go. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.